Hey folks, welcome. Today is the contest launch announcement, and let's actually try to go over what this contest is all about. It's basically open to the school students up to grade 12, and anyone can participate, basically, regardless of residency, citizenship, outside India, inside India, wherever they are. But the application must be created using App Inventor. Okay, so that's the requirement. And some suggested themes are like you can do an app that improves an efficiency, automate things, which is considered manual today, right? Or you can take up my social responsibility, like an app to assist any disability. Right? Or you can take up my school as a theme, wherein it can assist, an app can assist an online school work, be like tracking the homework, assignments, tests, and all those things that you are facing today, right? And it can also be a gaming app, like any game that you wanted to do. You can do it on App Inventor, or it could be anything, your solution that solves a certain problem. So it's a very open theme, and anyone can participate. Now, here are some dates. Today, May 22nd, is the contest launch. And what I have done is I have given some dates so that in case if somebody needs any help, then they can actually take those help. Okay, so June 5th is the guidance session wherein I will discuss individually with the team on their idea and how it can be implemented and things like that. Right? So anyone who is interested can actually send an email and take an appointment, and I'll set a time for the discussion. So that's the first this thing guidance session. It's optional. So in case if you are all set, then you don't need to attend the guidance session. So after you have done few things, some implementation, if you're stuck in implementation, anyone stuck in certain implementation, I have given a date, July 3rd, wherein they can have a doubt clearing session, right? So again, I will take like it will be a one-on-one appointment. We'll meet on a Google Meet or something like that. And then anyone who's interested should send an email and take a prior appointment, okay? And we'll work this thing out together. Now, July 25th is the key date. That's the final project submission. So for that submission, you need to submit like up to I've told 3 minutes. Sometimes it just exceeds little over 3 minutes. That's fine, but not maximum, not over 4 minutes. So between 3 to 4 minutes, you have to submit a video of your project and also submit the App Inventor AIA file. You can export that into AIA file, and you have to submit that AIA file just so that we are just to make sure that people have done the work. And sometimes by opening the AIA file, one can find out the complexity of blocks and things like that, what you have used and things like that. Right? So that's the main deadline, which is July 25th. Okay. So you want to make sure that you are all ready by July 25th. So you have enough time. You need to use this time to improvise on your application, work more on the application, add features one by one, start with smaller number of features, and then keep adding new features, whatever you have thought about, and then make sure that it's complete at any point in time. Right? And then it will go through a judging, and winners will be declared. There will be e-certificates issued to the winners, and even participation e-certificates will be issued as long as the project meets a certain basic criteria. Like, for example, you cannot just make a very basic project and say that give me a participation certificate. It has to have little bit work has to be done. Based on that, a participation certificate will be issued. Right? It cannot be a copied project from somewhere and then just submitting for the sake of participation certificate. Right? And also in that process, some people may be interviewed for judging. Right? So they will be contacted individually and interviewed for judging, where they need to present their project. Okay. All the updates will be given here in sciencesociety.in app inventor, our regular location. Right. So all the information will be here. Individual emails may not be possible, so you need to check this particular link for the form submission, for any updates, announcements, and things like that. Any change of dates and things like that. Though we'll stick to these dates will not change, but in case something happens, then we'll always put the status in this particular page. Also, at any point in time you have question, you know the email to contact, sciencesociety@gmail.com. Okay. Now, let's see the judging criteria, on what basis your project will be judged. Now, first thing is the novelty, which is like 10 points. Out of 50 points, 10 points is for novelty. So just by looking at it, what is the novel feature? You need to tell about, when you submit your project, you need to tell about what that novelty is. Sometimes it may not be obvious to the judges. So, so novelty is 10 points, right? Originality. Right? Then next 20 points is for implementation complexity and logic. What is the kind of logic that was used to actually arrive at this particular app? This is where the AIA file will be looked into, and then an assessment of complexity will be done. Okay. Other thing is ease of use, right? 10 points. So how easy it is to use your application, right? So sometimes things which are very easy to use, people tend to use it more, right? So you need to also focus on how easy it is to use and make it obvious when you submit your project. Right? Next 10 is utility of this particular app, how useful it is to the society, to anyone for that matter. So that will be the 50 points for judging. Now there will be various groups kind of will be created, like grade 7 and 8 will be grouped in one, 9, 10 will be grouped in another group, and 11, 12 will be grouped as single group. Now remember that we are in kind of one academic year to the next academic year, right? And the pandemic has created some confusion. So your grade should be based on the 21-22 academic year. So when you say 7th grade, so you should be like in the 21-22 academic year, you should be in 7th grade. So there is a confusion where 12th graders are there, they have not written the exams, waiting for results and things like that. They can submit as 12th graders. Okay. So there is one option which is saying that 12th graders for the academic year 2021. So in the submission form, it's already put like that. So they have to select that particular option. Now for the submission, I just want to make sure that for the submission, there is a video to be submitted, right? So we want to make sure that you create the video. You need to have, going back, you need to have some, make sure that way before the deadline, you have planned something. Don't do on the last day, they are trying to create a video, right? So give at least a week or more to create your video, so that on July 25th, you don't ask for an extension and things like that. So in case if you have any question, today we are meeting at 7 p.m. Note, it is 7 p.m., not 6:30 our regular time. Join this Google Meet, right? And then I'll be on. And if you have any specific question related to the submission, right, related to this contest, I'll be happy to answer those questions. Right? And if you have some other questions, if you have time, then we can always see some of the App Inventor related things. Okay? Thanks, then see you at 7. All the best.